I better not come flying at me at full speed. You know what you're doing? Should them lights be flashing green and red?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Hello there. Who are you? Go take a picture for me over there. Bye.
Just a little bit of a heads up before we start the video. Now, whilst Nick and I were flying the drones, Joe had left his ignition on the bike, which essentially flattened his battery. Now, being a DCT, we couldn't push it and bump start it. A bit of irony was, we'd all looked at buying a booster jump pack before the tour started, but none of us actually bought one. Joe found a house that looked as if he'd tinkered with cars, looking at the garage and driveway, and a very kind gent who lived there did have some jump leads and even brought his Mini across to jumpstart the bike off of. And it turns out he's a biker too, and a bloody good egg to boot. So thank you, sir, we owe you one. Now, we've still got the Scottish contingent of faffers to meet up with, and at the moment we're running late, so we're going to crack on, onwards and upwards.
Right, are we ready? Drivers, start your engines. You ready, Joe?
I'm ready.
It's always Steve, isn't it?
I know.
Ready?
Yep.
I need to turn my thing down, but doesn't matter. Go on then.
Thank you.
What a nice chap.
He is, yeah.
So you're looking at the Triumph Trident 800?
Yeah, I've got bloody voice commands on mine. I'm trying to get it off. That's alright.
Yeah, I have.
Right, mine's off now.
Oh, look out, bike coming. T7. Oh, and another, fuck here now. He's on the wrong side of the road, coming up round there. Twat. Hey, the Tour de Faff is alive and well.
Yes.
Takes more than a flat battery to bugger
It's
us up,
funny.
doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Well,
That's Nigel's
ironic
fault.
thing is, we've all, I know me and you have, Steve, we've said about getting one of them,
Yeah,
haven't
I
we?
was saying to Nick, I nearly got one when we was at Next Moto, because they had one on the shelf, didn't they?
It's a bumpy old road, this, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Shut in the middle. I believe we're about to crest into a view.
Certainly giving the old electronic suspension a work out.
Oh, here we go. Bloody electronic suspension. I had to wind mine up a notch because of the extra weight on Karen this morning.
Don't you knock it, Steve. Don't you knock it, at least you'll start.
But that's the joys of having a very basic bike, innit? Less to go wrong.
Yeah, but again, to be fair, if that had a flat battery, you're not bumping it. Not unless you're coming down here.
Well, no.
That's a problem.
Yeah.
And you buggers wouldn't push me either because it's too friggin' heavy.
We
You're
would
fucking right.
push it over.
Where's Joe?
I'm trying to cope with all these bumps.
Oh, that's
Have
right.
you not got electronic suspension?
No, it haven't. Not got a good battery either.
It'll be charged by the time we meet the lads. Only take
Yeah.
about 20 minutes to get a bloody good charge in there.
Yeah, so we're running a bit late between Captain Slack Bladder here and the fucking Duracell bunny behind me.
Yeah.
Well, if we buy you some tenor men, we won't have to stop for you.
Gravel on the
Well, that's the
corner
first
there.
breakdown
And,
for Honda, isn't it?
I mean, it feels like it's 4 o'clock, but it's not. It's only half past
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
We've had a bloody good day's riding so far, haven't we?
Oh, I tell you, they have been fucking fantastic
Yeah.
roads, haven't they?
You know when we go out at night, because I just don't want today to end, you want to keep riding. It's like that, isn't it? It feels like it's half 4, yet you've got another half day's worth of ride ahead of you. It's brilliant.
Right, you're getting on one's tits now.
Definitely getting impatient.
Who
Really.
the fuck does 30 in a 30? Give us a wave, wanker.
I don't know why, because it's not on.
Hey? Hey?
I'm just winding you up.
Me fucking 360 is.
I expect that's been on for hours, hasn't it?
No, I've just put it on to get that.
Oh.
Yes, you could see why people with bad eyes come here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, left down here somewhere. Not that one.
This one here.
Oh. Oh, there's. We going in here?
Yeah. Oh, down here, you wankers. Not in there, not in there.
Keep going forward.
Fuck. Don't go in there because there's fucking cameras.
That's a bit...
Oh, in there.
Yeah, I think reversing over that.
You know my 7-inch screen?
7-inch screen. What do you want?
Riding along, it just fucking fell off.
Morning, Rod. Well, afternoon now, isn't it?
Oh!
Look, fucking loads of space up here.
Yeah, I'm not parking on that knobbly shite.
All that super smooth stuff over here.
That's a lovely sight, isn't it, eh?
Pull it, innit? It's only little plastic loads, isn't it?
Ah, it's just like two. Both this thing.
Your turn for the coffees, is it, Nigel?
It is. There's yours.
Oh, good.
There's yours.
Thank you very much.
We've got to swap all this stuff over on his new bike at some point this week.
Yeah. Has you bought it?
Yeah.
Have you bought it?
No. I've got all my documents and everything.
Just in case.
Do what I did. Tell him you'll have it. Pick it up in 2 days' time and then cancel it tomorrow.
Zoom into that sexy T-shirt in the middle.
You're still quite a beefy bike, isn't it? That's a nice finish.
One couldn't believe how actually.
So what the fucking hell?
Right, I've got it on my phone, so. But I will have. I guarantee I'll miss some turns because I
What
won't
can
be
go
looking
wrong?
at a piece
What
of
can
shit.
go wrong?
Have you got yours up on yours, Nick?
I have, but I haven't started it. Or
We'll start
resumed
it and then you can leave.
I can't because you see me top box.
Oh, fucked.
Yeah, go on.
We'll go left.
We'll
then.
talk you through it, Nige. Don't panic.
I don't give a shit. I go wrong when I'm fucking right.
I go left when you're turning right.
Is yours showing the route, Nick?
It's well, I'm following the burgundy line.
Yeah, but mine's saying turn right here.
Yeah, well, yours fucking would, wouldn't it? Yeah. Fucking started already, isn't it?
It ain't the Tour de Faff
We're
for
good,
no
we're
reason,
good.
is it?
Still clear, boys.
You're on all right.
Come on, it's still clear. Now, Gaz, you listen to Steve. Hasn't he got a fucking voice like a porn fucking voiceover?
Here we go again.
Yeah.
I reckon he must get a kick out of my bloody voice.
I think so.
Oh, hi cyclists. Stupid boy. Drain in the middle.
Of course, where else would it fucking be?
There you go.
Right, should we have normal diesel or super diesel?
Fucking chip fat in yours.